forget your password or lose your phone, then also like poof goes your money. So that's something that there are kind of ideas for dealing with that and mitigating that. So like for example, storing money in multi-sig wallets, also these kind of social recovery things, like for example what the HTC phone is introducing. I think like all of those are really important steps forward, and in general I hope to see more experimentation in that space.
Yeah, speaking of HTC phone, I know you personally use, you're probably one of the early adopters of the Exodus phone. Can you comment on it? What function is still lacking and what improvements it needs?
I mean, it
shows your phone.
It's definitely here and it exists, but
it's see-through, right?
Yeah. The wallet interface and like, a lot of things about it are really nice. I mean, there are still things that are kind of pretty early stage. So, like for example, in the first version, like you as a user can't like technically know whether you're actually using the trusted hardware wallet or like a fake application pretending to be the trusted hardware wallet, and that's something I know they're going to be fixing in version 2. There's a lot of just user experience issues around the edges in like the social key recovery design, like working and like authenticating efficiently. But I mean, these are the sorts of things that I'm confident will kind of just get ironed out over time.